Again. Here we go again. Again. One more time. I don't know any better than what I'm in the middle of. If I could go back to the beginning, I would do it again, just as I am now. It's no wonder I don't seem to learn except how to move better. If practice makes perfect, I should be a master. But since practice makes permanent, I could be a disaster. Lying in wait, poised to go off when the timing is just right and it becomes my turn. I'd cut in line the only way I was taught to. I've been here, been doing this. Just step to the side and let everyone else go. By now I should be given a spot near the very front, but I don't keep track of wins or losses, just where we're all at in the present. Insanity, please don't quench thirst. If only I know what I'm talking. The more I open my mind and let my thoughts come through my mouth, that eerie sensation of holding water for someone else becomes unbearable in the midst of a drought. Intellectually speaking, I'm more spiritual than I am living. If the Father and Son were indeed the Holy Spirit, then mothers and daughters are indeed respectively equal. In third-hand execution, I get off on technicalities, as long as I promise to keep my nose clean. Still, regardless, I'm careful to get dirty, well aware I'm not alone trying to come clean. Even if my counterparts are busy getting better, real purpose comes with time. Experience holds us up to our light. Truth be told, I'm on my best behavior. If the truth can't make one go crazy, not having known it too can keep you sane. Instead, I keep the facts from getting checked. Talking money only gets you so paid. When the bank can't cash checks, one individual stays writing. Small folks cash out, you old in Congress. Why no, it can't be about profit. Even scum don't deserve second chances when they go out. Whoever mentioned pension or retirement, Associates Incorporated only goes so deep at face value. You have to go deeper to really know what we're getting at. If I had to explain, I would run out the clock and time would keep going, like I'm kept from checking my watch every 15 minutes and have whole lifetimes pass before my eyes. And if I sleep, I'm only taking a break. Even my dreams let me know I'm damned if I wake and damned if I don't. No options for retreat or surrender. My one-track mind has already figured how to get past the unforgivable, get over the unforgettable, and don't hand over control of the leverage ever. Strength becomes weakness only if you have a heart. I don't care for feelings much, mostly because I can't. If I had to tell the truth for once in my life, I would say I'm sorry for anything I ever did. Cause and effect can be a bitch. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness have everyone thinking they don't belong with anyone else. I wouldn't give my death for any of the above, but if sacrifices have to be made, I'm making sure to mitigate circumstances, and they aren't all mine. I can't leave a trace. As I told myself in hindsight, don't get played by your wants, even if you thought you had to fall for redemption. Mistake a failure for adjustment in politics. I'm nowhere near where I thought I would be, and I'm okay with it, so long as I don't have my sights set on my end. I don't know I'm insane. I don't know I'm insane. I don't know I'm insane.